All right, we have another 2020 RSA triple autograph football jersey. One box break number 2. Chris is number 0. Alex is number 8. Patrick is number 1 and 7. Ryan is number 6. Jerry is number 2. Mark is number 3. Kenneth is number 5. Tony has number 4. And Jeremy has number 9. Word to it, guys. That Jameis, the Traquan was crazy. Traquan was wide open. Wide open. Alright, we got Ocho Cinco going to the 5 spot, and Kenneth. That's Chad Johnson. I don't know who this is. Number 13. Concepcion. Something like that. Let's see. It's a soccer player.
It was a great throw. Cochran didn't make this play, but he would later make another play.
It's a city in Chile. I don't think it's autographed by the city. Let's look the cert up. Where's the cert, Jason? Oh yeah, they are multi-sport. That's a good. It's a good catch. I'll have to edit that. My bad. You would have thought I would have realized that by now. I think the pair said for or multi-sport. So 037 851. Dave Concepcion, signed number 1 jersey number. Word. Let's go on to the 3 spot. Who's Dave Concepcion? I literally don't know. A baseball player. Alright, let's go on to the 3 spot, and Mark with the 3 spot. And then we have, nice, how about a Devontae Adams going to the 7 spot, and Patrick. There you go, Patrick. Nice Devontae Adams. That's sick, dude. Congrats on that, guys.